How to attach files from OneDrive to Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Outlook and then you can go to the new mail that you want to send and then go to attach file at the top and then choose OneDrive. Now your OneDrive will open up and then choose what you want to upload from your OneDrive and then tap on share link and then it will be attached in your mail. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.